Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to receive international payments in Bangladesh using Xoom step by step. So, if you want to receive money directly into a bKash account in Bangladesh using Xoom, this video will help you. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Xoom website. Once the website opens, click on Log in and sign in with your PayPal or Xoom account. After logging in, click on Send Money. Now select the country where you want to send money. Choose Bangladesh. After that, enter the amount you want to transfer. Once you enter the amount, click Continue. Next, choose how the receiver will receive the money. Select Mobile Wallet as the delivery method. Now click Continue. On the next page, enter the receiver's mobile number linked to their bKash account. Then click Next. Now enter the receiver's contact information, if required, and continue. After that, review all the details carefully, including the amount, mobile number, and transfer information. Once everything looks correct, click Send. Complete the payment process by following the instructions shown on your screen. After confirmation, Xoom will process the transfer and send the money to the selected bKash wallet. You can also track the transfer status from your Xoom account. And that's it. This is how you can receive international payments in Bangladesh using Xoom. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.